ביאור משנה ב', continuation of this, מעשה בכהן אחד שהיה מתעסק. There's a story of about one Kohen that was his job. He used to take the worms out. במלאכתו, in his job. ומבואר בירושלמי, it explains in ירושלמי, שכהן בעל מום היה. He was with a blemish, so he couldn't serve in a temple. ומלאכתם של כהנים בעלי מום, and the work of כהנים who has a blemish, להכין עצים למערכה. That was their job. To take the worms out of the wood. ולבדקם שלא יהיו מתולעים. שכל עץ שנמצאו בתולעים, because any wood that you can find that found worms in it, פסול למזבח. It's not good for the altar because it has worms. והיה אותו כהן מתעסק מלאכה זו בלשכת דיר העצים. And that Kohen was busy doing that specific job in the section, like we say before, of the wood. וראה הרצפה במקום שישב. And then he notices that one of the stones that he was sitting in was a little bit funny. שהיא משונה מחברותיה. It's a little bit different than all the other stones. שלא הייתה אבן שווה לשאר אבני הרצפה. It was different quality. It was different thing. You can see that something is funny over there. והבין, he understood, שזוהי האבן שסילקוה משם בשעה שגנזו את הארון. He says, that's where the tunnel starts. Right over here. That's the stone they took away and that's where they hid it. בא ואמר לחברו. He came and he says to his friend, look what I found. סיפר לו על האבן שמצא ברצפת דיר העצים. He told him about the stone that he found on the floor of the place for the woods. שהיא משונה משאר האבנים. That is, it's strange compared to other stones שברצפה, that's in the floor. ורצה לגלות לו שבאותו מקום נגנז הארון. And he wanted to tell him, this is where the tunnel starts. ולא הספיק לגמור את הדבר. He was in the middle of talking, עד שיצא נשמתו. And he died in the middle of the sentence. ולא so the other guy didn't know where it was. ולא נתגלה מקומה של אותה אבן. And it was never revealed the place of which stone he was talking about, because nobody else noticed it. He's the only one who noticed it. וידעו בייחוד, and then everybody understood for sure, ששם הארון נגנז, that it was there that they hid the ark.
Because he died, because he can't reveal it.
That's right, so because they saw, in other words, this is the story. Yeah, the Babylon is a nice story, and it might be true, but probably this is what's happening over here. תחת רצפת הלשכה של דיר העצים. No, like he said, it's got nothing to do with here. Yeah. It's because the number 13, the number 13 came around.
The 40.
Yeah.